फ्रॉम जयंती राज।
ओके, ये आपने क्या बनाया है?
इको फ्रेंडली मटेरियल टॉय।
इको फ्रेंडली
मटेरियल टॉय।
मटेरियल टॉय है। अच्छा।
ये इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड है,
हाँ हाँ।
जैसे कि प्लास्टिक का बहुत यूज़ हो रहा है,
अच्छा, प्लास्टिक का बहुत यूज हो रहा है, ठीक है।
तो ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल है। जैसे कि कोई
हाँ
साइंस का एक्टिविटी
हाँ
प्रोजेक्ट
हाँ।
बनाने के लिए मिलता है, तो उसमें बहुत सारा प्लास्टिक का यूज़ होता है,
हम्म।
तो उसको हटाने के लिए बायोडिग्रेडेबल का यूज़, जैसे कि वेस्ट मटेरियल कार्डबोर्ड,
हाँ।
उसका यूज़ करके कुछ बनाना एक्टिविटी में।
अच्छा, तो ये आपने कार्टून यूज करके ये टॉय बनाया है।
यस।
बेसिकली पर्पस है मतलब बच्चों के खेलने के लिए, है ना?
और
ओके,
इन्वायरमेंट के लिए
तो ये फंक्शनल है या फिर
बस मॉडल,
मॉडल है? ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
जैसे कि
हाँ
डिस्पोजल ग्लास का यूज़ होता है, प्लास्टिक
हाँ
का
हाँ
यूज़ होता है,
हाँ हाँ।
तो इन सब का आजकल बहुत यूज़ हो रहा है,
ठीक है
तो
ठीक है,
अगर बायोडिग्रेडेबल का यूज़ होगा तो इन्वायरमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
बहुत अच्छा होगा। तो ये दोना क्या है ये?
ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
तो
ये आपने
आजकल,
बनाया है?
नो सर, ये मार्केट से लिया हुआ है।
ये आपने, अच्छा।
यस।
मतलब इस तरह हम लोग इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ये आप दिखा रहे हैं ना?
ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू
थैंक
सो
यू
मच।
सर।
ठीक है, आप कौन है?
सर मेरा नाम दीपश्री है।
दीपश्री।
यस।
जवाहर
जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय पलामू वन
पलामू
राजस्थान।
वन से, ठीक है ठीक है। आपने बहुत सारा आइटम दिखाया है, क्या है ये?
सर हमने रीयूज ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल्स।
अच्छा, वेस्ट मटेरियल को यूज़ करके आपने बहुत सारा जो है डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स बनाया है। बेसिकली ये जो है फ्लावर पॉट है।
यस।
ओके ओके, इसको यूज़ बनाने के लिए आपने क्या क्या यूज़ किया है?
सर नॉर्मली ये सब जो फ्लावर पॉट्स है, ये सब जो हमारे स्कूल का
हाँ
ये मेस का जो सॉस बॉटल्स होता है,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
उसका यूज करके हमने इसे बनाया।
ये
और
सॉफ्ट बॉटल है या प्लास्टिक बॉटल है? ये ग्लास के बॉटल है।
ग्लास का बॉटल नहीं है ये, हाँ ग्लास का बॉटल ही है।
ओके।
और ये जो समर वेकेशंस में पानी को ठंडा करने के लिए मार्केट से इसे खरीद के लाते हैं सुराही,
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
तो उसके बाद तो समर्स के बाद ये वेस्ट चला जाता है, इसका यूज
बिल्कुल।
भी करते हैं
हाँ
normally।
हाँ।
इसको हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट किया सर, प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस का थोड़ा सा यूज किया, फ्लावर्स बना दिया,
प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस यूज़ करके।
और सुतरी का यूज किया,
अच्छा।
और नॉर्मली इसे पेंट कर दिया।
हाँ
ये कितना अच्छा मतलब डेकोरेट करने के लिए
हाँ,
बन गया।
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा
हाँ
है।
सर, और ये सुतरी का बनाया गया है नॉर्मली।
हाँ।
और सर ये जो हमारा
इसका
एक
बेस
ट्री
बेस किस चीज़ का है? पूरा तरह से सुतड़ी का है?
हाँ पूरा
ये
सुतरी।
आपने बनाया है?
हाँ सर, हमने ग्रुप में वर्क किया है इसके लिए।
अच्छा अच्छा।
सर ये हमारा बॉटल का बना हुआ है मेनली,
बॉटल
सर आप
का है।
इधर से देख सकते हैं बॉटल का।
अच्छा अच्छा, और इसके
ये-
ऊपर जो कारीगरी की है आपने, वो
हाँ
किस
सर,
चीज़ से
बताते
किया
हैं।
है?
ये जो एक ट्रे होता है,
हाँ, हाँ।
एक ट्रे,
हाँ, हाँ।
उसका यूज करके ये जो स्ट्रक्चर दिया गया है,
हाँ।
और ये सब जो है व्हाइट सीमेंट का यूज किया गया है।
तो वाइट सीमेंट।
हाँ, और ऊपर से टिश्यू पेपर को कवर करके अच्छे से उसके बाद इसे पेंट कर दिया गया।
अच्छा अच्छा।
और सर ये जो है हमारा एल्युमिनियम फॉइल होता है।
एल्युमिनियम फॉइल, हाँ।
उसका यूज किया है, एल्युमिनियम वायर का यूज किया है, क्लॉथ का यूज किया है,
हाँ,
और
हाँ।
इसमें इसका बेस बनाने के लिए पीओपी का यूज किया है, बहुत जल्दी जम
POP।
जाता है, और व्हाइट सीमेंट का यूज किया है इसका structure
और ये आपने
देने के
हाथ से इसको डिज़ाइन किया है, मैं छू सकता हूँ इसको?
लिए। हाँ सर,
अच्छा, अच्छा लगा। बहुत सुंदर है। ये भी आपने बनाया?
सर ये हमारे आर्ट टीचर ने बनाया है।
मांदर, बहुत बढ़िया। और ये आपका कुछ डेकोरेटिव
सर ये आइसक्रीम स्टिक का बना
आइसक्रीम स्टिक्स
हुआ है।
बनाया है आपने?
सर आप इधर भी देख सकते हो,
अच्छा, ये भी आप ही का बनाया हुआ है?
ये न्यूज़पेपर का बनाया
ये
गया है।
पेपर का बनाया हुआ है?
ये पेपर का, न्यूज़पेपर का, वो बेंगल का बनाया गया है।
ये क्या, न्यूज़पेपर?
हाँ
अच्छा।
तो नॉर्मली सारे लोग तो न्यूज़पेपर को बेचते नहीं है खरीदने
हाँ,
के बाद,
हाँ।
तो घर पे वेस्ट दीमक ये सब भी लग जाता है, तो
हाँ।
उसका यूज करके हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं उसका।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ये, मतलब ये डेकोरेटिव आइटम आपने बनाया है,
हाँ
बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है। ओके, थैंक यू मिस दीपश्री, थैंक यू सो मच।
क्लास 9 फ्रॉम
हाँ।
जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय जोगना लोहरदगा।
ओके ओके, ये आपका मॉडल क्या है?
सर विंड मिल।
विंड मिल है, ओके ओके
It is also called wind turbine. Wind
Okay.
mill is a power generating arrangement.
Okay.
It converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy and then
Okay.
generates electric energy.
ओके ओके
To make this windmill, we use some material like
Blade.
tower which is strong standing on this blade,
Okay, okay.
rotor
Okay.
which is connected to the main shaft, and many
Okay.
more. And also we can use anemometer.
Anemometer.
Yes sir, anemometer is a device which is used to measure wind speed.
Wind speed actually.
So one question arises from here that how does it work?
Yeah.
But before this question, though I'm giving my presentation indoor,
Okay.
so I'm using some artificial material.
Artificial material.
As there are no sufficient air is available here.
Okay.
Actually, it is present in sea breeze. There are sufficient air is available.
Okay.
But just don't mind them. Just imagine natural process is going on by the wind.
By
So,
the wind.
my question was that how does it wind? How does it work?
Okay.
Uh,
Just so it's working.
yes, sir. When air flows,
Yeah.
the blade of this windmill spins like this.
Okay.
It converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy. And
Kinetic energy of wind to mechanical energy.
Yes, sir.
Or electrical energy.
But sir,
Mechanical.
after convert electric energy. Oh,
First it will produce the electricity, na? Or
no, sir.
kinetic to directly mechanical energy. Mechanical
Yes, sir,
energy.
And then generate electric
It will move the motor directly
yes, sir.
by the power of
wind.
wind. Okay, okay. Got,
And
got,
then
got.
generate electricity.
Okay.
From this electricity, we can do various activities.
Definitely.
Like
Lightening the home.
yes, like glowing bulb,
Yeah, definitely.
pumping water, mining grain,
Yes.
and agriculture, etc.
Agriculture.
There are many advantages of this windmill. It is one of the cleanest and domestic source of energy,
Okay.
and it can be reduce pollution.
Yeah.
It can be reduce our dependence of fossil fuel. And there are some disadvantages of this windmill.
Okay, okay.
It can be dangerous to some wildlife. And
Wildlife?
Yes, sir. And can
How?
be, sir, because it is unpredictable and present on the
Okay.
sea breeze.
Okay, okay.
And then it can be quite noisy.
Quite noisy.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
And then the main purpose of this windmill is to make pollution-free environment.
Definitely. Your name, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Simran Soni from
Simran, okay.
Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jognal, Varkala.
Thank you, Simran.
Thank you,
Such
sir.
a nice project you have shown. Thank you so much.
Myself, K.D. Om Prakash.
Yeah.
I'm from GNV West Singhbhum.
Yeah.
And today, in the cluster meet of Ranchi Science Exhibition,
Yes.
today I am showing the blood circulation of heart along with I am socially awareing about emphysema, a disease.
Emphysema.
Yes.
Okay.
A disease about which most of us don't know, and I think so that with this project I am going to share a social awareness about emphysema for
Okay.
the society. So first of all, what I am going to show today is the blood circulation in our heart.
First,
So-
we'll show the functionality
Yes,
of
sir.
heart,
Yes.
human heart.
Yes, human heart.
Yeah, please show.
So first of all, the blood in the human body.
Yeah.
The main function of the heart is sending the blood, deoxygenated blood from the main function of the heart. The main function of heart is collecting the whole deoxygenated blood from the body and sending it to the lungs. And the lungs purifies the oxygenate the blood and send it to the heart.
Okay.
And then the heart again it says the blood, oxygenated blood to all our body.
Okay.
So firstly, the heart collects the deoxygenated blood from two pipes. The first one is superior vena cava, which collects the blood from the upper body, which collects
Okay.
the deoxygenated blood
From the upper body.
and the other is the inferior vena cava.
Where is the
which,
inferior?
It is.
Okay.
It is the inferior vena cava,
Okay, okay.
which collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower body.
Okay.
So, firstly, the superior vena cava.
Yeah.
It collects. So, I will show you the practical later. So, first of all, I am just giving you a theory.
Theory.
And by showing the model. So, first of all, the deoxygenated blood comes from,
Deoxygenated.
yes, the deoxygenated blood from the upper body comes from the superior vena cava.
Yeah.
It comes from superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, and it collected in the firstly in the right atrium.
Yeah.
It is collected in the right atrium. Then when the right atrium contracts, there is a valve present between the right atrium and the right ventricle.
Yeah.
And when the right atrium contracts, it sends the deoxygenated blood
Yeah.
to the right ventricle,
Yeah.
where the right ventricle then sends the deoxygenated blood to the left pulmonary artery through a pipe which is behind the aorta or above the aorta, because since it is not a 3D model, so it's just a 2D model. So I can't define it
It's
properly.
almost similar to 3D model. Just show the functionality if you want to show the blood circulation.
Yes,
You
first
can
we,
show something about blood circulation here or anything.
so first we tell you.
Okay.
Let me tell you the theory about it. So
Okay.
then it says the deoxygenated blood to the left pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery is connected to the left. Pulmonary arteries are connected to the lungs, and the lungs contains small bronchioles, and those bronchioles contains the small balloon-like structure, which balloon-like sacs, which are known as the alveoli.
Alveoli.
Yes, there the exchange of blood gases takes place, and the deoxygenated blood, which is highly concentrated in carbon dioxide, changes into oxygen. The carbon dioxide is took by the alveoli, and
Okay.
the oxygen is given to the blood through the osmosis, through the process of osmosis, and then through the then through the pulmonary veins, the blood, the pure oxygenated blood is took inside the body, and it firstly comes to the left atrium, and
Okay.
then when the left atrium contracts, and there again a presence of valve here then the left atrium is then the left atrium send the blood, oxygenated blood, to the left ventricle, and the
Okay.
left ventricle send it to the aorta, and then the aorta send it to two different parts. The first is the aorta, which is above which sends the upper body, the oxygenated blood to the upper body, and then we have a descending aorta, which sends the blood to the lower body. This is the functioning of the
Heart.
heart. Now let me show you the practical. So we
Okay.
have a blue color fluid which is representing the
Deoxygenated blood.
deoxygenation. So firstly, we have such a tube from where we send it.
You are sending the deoxygenated blood.
So firstly, we have sending this. Look, the deoxygenated blood has reached to the
Okay.
lungs, and
Lungs.
where the lungs purify it by the osmosis,
Yeah.
and we then nextly the pure blood, which
Pure
is
blood.
present here, which represents the oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated.
So,
It purifies in the lungs.
yes, sir. It purifies in the lungs, and through the pulmonary veins,
Yeah.
it comes inside the left atrium, and as I have told earlier,
You already told.
yes.
Show
let
the
me show you
demonstration.
So now I am pulling out.
You're just
this is the demonstration. Here, the blood comes out from the aorta and
Okay.
from the descending aorta.
Okay. Thank you, KD.
I
For
have
your-
to show something more.
Okay.
about
You have
this.
something more?
Yes. So the next topic which I am going to show you is about the lungs.
Lungs.
The emphysema disease, which I told you in the
Emphysema disease. Okay.
emphysema. So basically, let me give you a brief introduction about emphysema.
Yeah.
Emphysema is a disease which is caused by excessive smoking or by second-hand smoking. It is also a reason, main factor causing the emphysema. And there
Okay.
are also, if you do a job in a place where the dust and the environment is full of dust or something.
Yeah.
If you intake the dust particles or the environmental the air present in our environment is much polluted, then it may cause the emphysema.
Okay.
There is a very rare chance that it may be inherited by your parents or someone else.
Okay.
So during the emphysema, when we smoke or something by something else, what happens? The smoke which we take in, it contains some little bit of tar, fluid, thick fluid substance, which
Yes.
is then collected in the heart.
It happens
not in the heart,
due.
sorry.
It happened due to smoking.
Yes.
It has been shown in the ads of the cigarettes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is collected in the alveoli.
Okay.
These you can see these balloon-like structures. These represents the alveoli.
Alveoli.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
The alveoli of the heart. So what happens in these alveoli?
Yeah.
In these alveoli, they are collected. They make walls.
Yeah.
They make the walls of the alveoli weaker and weaker.
Weaker and weaker.
And sometimes they make big holes,
Okay.
which reduces the surface area and which causes the less amount of respiration. Since the area of lungs is alveoli are less, so the rate of amount of respiration is also less. So
Okay.
what happens?
Conclude in short, please.
Okay, so what happens when the emphysema disease is caused? It makes our lungs, it makes our alveoli not to work properly. So it makes us the deficiency of oxygen. So
Okay.
we are unable to say, if we are also taking rest, then we may also feel some deficiency of oxygen. These are
Okay.
the main symptoms through which we can know that we are suffering from emphysema. And emphysema is also the major emphysema and bronchitis.
Yeah.
Bronchitis are one of the most biggest reasons of
Okay.
causing COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. These
Okay. Thank you so much, KD. Such a nice demonstration by you. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. I am Pragat Priya from class 9, JNV Ranchi.
ठीक.
And this is our project Smart Dustbin.
स्मार्ट डस्टबिन बनाया आपने.
Yes, sir. So firstly, I would like to introduce you to its parts. Mainly, we have 3 parts:
Yeah.
ultrasonic sensor,
Ultrasonic sensor.
Arduino, and servo.
Where is the Arduino?
Here is the Arduino.
This is the Arduino.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this
Third?
is the servo motor.
Servo motor.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Now show the functionality.
yes, sir. First, I will like.
This is battery operated.
Yes, sir. This is battery operated.
Okay.
So, ultrasonic sensor is a sensing device
Yeah.
that can sense and it is in the
It sends some if you bring some dust or anything,
5 centimeter.
waste material. What is the range?
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Show a demo. Okay. Now you kept.
It will close by itself in 2
Okay.
seconds.
Very nice.
So let me tell you about its advantages.
Advantage. What is the advantage?
So this is the time of coronavirus,
Yeah.
COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah.
So there are so many types of dustbin. First,
Okay.
the open dustbin.
Open dustbin.
Open dustbin also spread virus because the flies set on them and the flies go everywhere. So
Yeah, definitely.
it spread virus. Second of all, the closed dustbin with a bin with a lid on it.
Yeah.
But you just touch the lid and someone else touch the lid and all other people touch the lid,
Yeah.
so it spread virus. So
Definitely.
it's also spread a virus. So if you have the sensor dustbin, you don't have to touch it. It will open by itself.
Yeah.
You will throw your garbage
Yeah.
and it close by itself.
Yeah. But one improvement you can do that you have kept the Arduino inside, isn't it? Then Arduino will also go with the dust. You should fix it outside somewhere.
So
Huh.
this is a raw model.
Raw model. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is a raw model. So
What I am saying that you have kept the Arduino inside.
yes, sir.
Okay. What will happen if I am putting some dust here? Then that will be polluted.
Stuck on it.
Yeah.
So
So you should fix it outside. That I am saying actually, and nothing more. Otherwise, it's the best
it
one.
will
You
have
are-
a case.
Yeah.
It will have a special case made
Yeah.
for Arduino,
Yeah.
and the Arduino will kept on it. So
Then it will be better. If it will be
have a special
protected,
case.
then it will be better.
It will have a special waterproof case.
You have which motor you have used here?
This is servo motor.
Servo motor. Okay.
This is servo motor,
Yeah.
which helps in opening and closing the lid.
Okay.
It closes the lid in 2 seconds. After you have
Okay.
closed.
Very nice project shown by your name?
Prakhar Priya.
Priyanka. Thank you, Priyanka.
Prakhar Priya.
Prakhar Priya. Sorry, Prakhar Priya.
Yes.
Thank you, Priya. It's a nice model shown by you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.